dream home. I'm really confused about which estate company to approach. My friend had a bad experience with a particular estate agency after completing his payment and could not even get his title deed. This is serious.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Thank you.
My name is Oli. I'm from EJ Investments.
Understood.
Thank you.
You know, I must say you came at a very right time.
Really?
I was thinking about houses.
Great.
What can your company offer me?
EJ Investments can offer you a lot. We're unique in the market.
Okay.
We own our properties and we ensure that they're developed with modern technologies. They're affordable and they are strategic locations. We don't just sell pieces of land, but we create settlements.
What makes your company different from others?
We're different from all real estate companies in the Gambia because what we have to offer is affordability, safety, and security. We ensure that you get a legal contract from when you pay your deposit, and within 4 weeks of paying your final settlement, we make sure you receive your title deed.
4 weeks?
4 weeks.
That's interesting.
Yes. Now tell me, what real estate serves your needs?
It's absolutely EJ Investment and Real Estate Agency.
Bal konton na programme o ton ka fami bari ya kacha ni alaji bora ni alaji muhammad bidung na programme o akuma ya tabakale mina min discourse la akuma ya tabakale alaji bora ya le mina na dine
alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin mbe ala tentu lamba jayda yo bi nyolo min tambita makeno sama warata fo man sondu la fanan dibitan dumbe ya nako no keta filmil lal fana cameramanul do ko ka kolé bulule ni kabe dulnin dulabe be dibirin wala na makeno barin ko bi ni ala kidira la inshallah mbe ka cha keno la oto hani bi dora la mo lombadi ya kacha bijilo sa do kono nim fa touré nyol la kake mbenna mol konton na bake mbe jikiri milla bi ala ta ko la banko fanan kay ke bulo dum gambia ding la nyaato ta kono bakale men keta nakke bati ka fay ko lankonte badi bu dingolamu abota badi bu banile bara sita kinte kunda fele kane fim fanam bana la dimbal be konton na men keta ajaratu musu sidibeti anin ajaratu binta gasama mbe ñel be konton nan na batu fallo mun na la ballo muti petrogas fanam be konton na bake min keta Sebastian yoltina indianol mbe be konton na kanto bi ñum banku kay be minna bi mo be le yaje ba fa banku do ko ni monata ni majay ini mol ini ala fanta kel because ni mi nyusu jube bi ni lokun tambila bi ba ñun loptano kono bi RBT bi il fane buñu le loje mi alon ko ya be équipe kajoran kendol kije petrogas le nyinkeda dans 6 million fula fella adu hanibi abe siala to bawo do ko mamba bo to tembo to bi petrogas le nyinke bi oto nyaton ka kendo mimbo ko lankonde mbedu wala e bake bawo ni ya kan ni mo banku dinga ni ngim bunda sifa be banko kam before you think outside you think your country first ba man ni kol koy namna wala ko nyino balundi e so su ko nyino dañene ba RVT wala Gambia bata kunti wala mo Gambia ju sukunti wala mo Gambia la central loptanoti oto momondi yebba ñu loptano e fana yakata bi yeddo ko to min tata kanya million fulani mfen hani biya mambang oto mun mol tentu manyana ka kuma fema minta diala alay anitele oto mbe petrogas konto na bake alama Gambia ding be ye isawra nyoyani mo si fale ka minke me fa touré konton na bi ati jang abe passé mol ka fa nya konton nya la so ka dienya ba ke len sala no mba so ko entakela ha ko entakela mba malum al fatama kew babul mbe li boy ñol fana be konton na mbe mol konton na milike la moy birinja mbe mbar muso konton ne ka fa mi ko musu jayte dol kay Mariama jayte bari bun ko lo mo bari fele sirin kani fi biya be Argentina mbana ke ma kontona men kata alaji lan suware bi ka cada membe je
bari fanan simple
bari ni alay Muhammad so fa
no babora to na
ay Muhammad di falang di kala
You are very selfish.
no I am not selfish you know these days what is happening to Muhammad is very busy to an extent
I'm not busy I'm emotionally
yes Muhammad is mentally emotionally spiritually
physiologically
for physiologically lombang economically socially toto ha very sympathetic nim komba fole
my baby
ha
my baby is frustrating me
yes
bay ni Muhammad yam kan jan say ka bay baby
ko la kana
no yalo e ko mbugel dafa neexé so nobe kula nopp fota toñaat yalo kano fana meñame alum bander ko num neexé non na sapé fota toñaat yo kano bo ñara kano bu kam miye kan wala ke batani nim mo me ba kano bu ke batanda ka fo leta so wo manke ngota hanita min be sirin jang you are sitting here with your stress the guy I'm trying to get into her right now Fat Jallo working here Fat Jallo min bija Allah Fat Jallo from Bakau because Fat Jallo nomination ole be keren but ntanga jibele ko I'm one of the potential candidates bari yalo love buka manage mo buka mo kanundi mola Allah taala la kanu is nyontola nyako man janko mo kanundi mola bar man chata la
yo san mbal konton nambal centula mbal jayla badingulu bim natala bin na topico menti
jusu do yes
katun konton diro boraya beke
baro do blaje
bari bim be men kala wala nyinti
ana blaje do mande do to mo kontel ka tuni min lay do
be tribalism wolom si fatam fanso katun ngajala ko ye dol aresale be dol nyinen kan Sweden ni meje hani sai yo dol borte data police report samba Sweden abe durinda ko bebe sambri bari
ko sol adjointa
ko sol adjointa you know so nga dol fanan je comment to fanan siol be bulala nyola man ke sikilin di bar modu ka je Facebook surtout Facebook Kartung is one of the biggest social media me alon ka ko Gambia diwlu ya ke from a social media ya ke to battle media
war zone
now it's a battle zone
Mohamed social media is more than a battle zone
so ni ajibe bake from Gambia diwlu ye social media tala sign ñun dombe ñun na party against la ñun dombe ñola sio against la andum ni ajibe bake Kartung te na comment bukasia wala mbuka comment found and those days nka comment but biri ngaje ko kata nyame a comment found is a crime so nga decide ko I will not comment especially nana the tribalism issue because until we are very sensitive we don't represent the Mandinka community alone we are representing the Gambia
and the world
you understand Gambian flag until ngolo mutanka fir dawd and the we are proud of being Gambians you understand even if we are proud of being a Mandinka or whatsoever but that should not allow you bula sidola mo mondi bota damen tonya nyanta proud but in as much as he proud ila siola kana jutu sidola and we kana feel fananko betel la sio fisata sidodi so e bayala ko ning hakili masiata social media nka nyo yamar nim modo ndiro kay sio nani ntel kana wo bulo no manga nga bula sidola because ite sio sija Gambia kono bi nte tero bi jele bora tero bi jele ite muso membe sirinje ite tero
even your relatives
e badi wol bi jele bari ndi wol bi jele so say ni te loda bibibi e loda ko surwal be ten ni isi de dam ila bun kono ela surwa mo kilin kende kilin betar la jele ela mind be mem male be molle fon
akola fa ni min
de ni ajibe Gambia tonya ndaka fola ko hakilin town la kabula molla sio momen hakilo man yirwa bar momen sonno mobe kende an ker ni sikilin nene do ibula la Gambia sio be odo ni moy mon di na siwo sinan Gambia kono jam akulo manjaklo fulalo mandenka surwa serer siwo siba nyimbanko ka ni mo kilin bulata sidola Gambia di mo bela nyanta ka finti nga condemn nga foko karite menke ma ben kakita mambula mandinkol da manna e mambula fulol da manna e bulata Gambia be
anin dunia
ka dunia jibentel be dental andu momondi yalo ka foko mandinka baade bulle ni mandinka baade bulle oto ni fon korosi ba ke la generation kilim fula jibe isita mandinka surwa ba ma fanan soto no oto ni lalo de surwa albani mi alon ko ye fon le bani
mohamed kumo fa man jamfa ka fa ni bulata ko non yalon Gambia ni adi bebi futuo min be kasiti nyim banko kan sankon amanke ko siol da man ka futu ñol ni mata gibe mannin ko ni fulolum wala mannin ko ni jola wala mannin ko ni serero wala mannin ko ni gongo police station te nyim banko kan nyandami ba fala ko jola police station lo wanni mannin ka police station didara police station siyo bele bije be ka uniform killing la du soldat kunda the same thing na paramilitary PIU kunda the same thing custom the same thing official fanan be kono ni uniform wala kadunje do kula dula ta fono la ko nyemban kunkal siol ni uniform wala kata na karamula uniform wala ka fatale bari mbebe den ni minister killing la mbela karanyal be mo fanya killing la karam do di nul be karam hanatral mandar the same label bu karandala la karandal mantar tunkuru killing fanal grade nta sa fa tunkuro fanal bari be ka uniform wala dum milka bo nyokoto bari minga kinna bi si waliyo be siakam banko kan dama bi jenta bokata ko si waliyo dama fa niaji be fin dama ko wandi siyo ne akiskisi ya wandi siyo ne wandi kan la bari tellement que wasiyo fa nga Facebook manke mototi ni sa fa number plate to le ba Facebook ma immigration sote ka ID card da kadi mo nationality Facebook molo nationality Gambian Senegalese ngolo lon Togolais Benoit ngolo lon Bissau Guinea Bissau Conakry bar Facebook mo sa fanke no musotile ay musuto yusu ay indian wol banen ay atara ma amu mandin kolti walla mu jolata mu fulol Gambia jam fana wolta ban modol ke fanke sidol ti ka sidol nen siol si hakko tu nyoy woto wol dama be je wol man wo siyo aliyamera siyo mi yal ne wol mal nende ñun dol fana sa fa ya mandin kol yen nen fulol yen nen hanide mole ya fanka dum Facebook Gambia nanta wullal nga campagne o kala Gambia la vice president o ñun current vice president o ko ñun social media be kula wulula Gambia e ada keba kumo la foje ada ya fo be wonin bi tema ay problème o wulu ñun tribalism bi 2016 New Gambia ñun New Gambia ku jamala fudi amanke baro sit down yaya get up and go ñun New Gambia bring new tribalism New Gambia bring segregation. New Gambia bring insult. New Gambia le nyimbeno. New Gambia ay males le wulu Gambia jang. Mol mantar diare. Mole nyola futuo bang ni social media. Ban be Gambia non nyinin kala tribalism nali yalo what is tribalism? Billahi wallahi ta'ala mbabulala. Muhammad alsal wulu ta saralion. Aliyaje le kelo e minkije. Ndel min mambula kelo kono nga kelo la masibol jele nga telel jube le nga social media jube nga ko jele nga jibe ko banko milialon ko la safaro bentel nyaala economy be banyana sanji kilin kelo keto banko to le bi hani bi e mamuru tanim fulo Gambia mi yalo ko less than 30 minutes nin kelo keta jang dambe kera Senegal letat because a fenti jang a fente mobul ana fulti jang a koditi jang a julayati jang a darajati jang amule bi jang dunya la dolto ni ko Gambia mol fal bukala ntoma mbo football to ntoma mbo music to Gambia tobe bo kamune la Facebook nko ma ko sukko be je ko ni biligate billahi nali mal hakilo tal chota fen ala tabaraka kala je jugu be biligate mbedi amula le bat Gambia du la liter America la foy ko man nimbanta ba ko alla Facebook ali bondi jani WhatsApp jugu be jile ya imbel barala kana kayra dai ma suku beji lam ala kana kayra dai
suku beji
ha ala kana kayra da ma suku beji ani bilge nga kumola foy e telle ni Facebook e telle ala yalo ni tata na bade colt Gambia jang kaburu fulala jam Christianity Islam ni kaburu fulala bi jam Gambia jang dina fulala bi jam misirme ya felenti Christianity felenti baro hano Christianity mi nya bala teng nin Christianol be siri nyanna ni man du ñol ni kata ñola kuto ni kada na kayra tanala ni kata ñola hadamadiya koto ni be den nin karamula ni ka futu aka kele kayro be banko ka nga bele jida woto sai ite ba dumala jalaja nyam Gambia bi nya kiskisi da ya momo de bi ni koto man sido fulu e baba sido futu walle mari benki futu ta sido al nga tonya fonye na takeri bar Gambia non ko tribalism eta ta kaburu juma te ka mole toja safari nje bari buka afo mandin ka dai 1981 jola dai 1981 yaron na party difference politiko nata nyoya ya la jalba ko ate memfo politiko nata pour awareness lala politiko nata la pour ka banko doku bar say mole politiko ke si kuolet adu nyam political ko politiko le tribalism dundi Gambia ba nora Gambia hakilimal man tribalism londe nota nimmi ye mira aduniya dibe alfa mukalla fo lebe nyum manya ke ba koto mi yalon ko 40 ye experience soto karam man na nyinne kasi suoko karam moto bari kinin ko karam wala nyinti ko ye kununje ye bije ye munto molje mata nyami ye bi molje 40 duniya ye la dimbal wulu ye kulli ye londi dinola ye balumbi halalola ite be ke ba koto ye wuli til kilindora e ke dingle ko malla faale dum kar nyol la suoko nyin si kar mom bete ke ba la katuro fi dingle bule no ndel dingle mbe daniro kala mtata karambul tole nkarantale kunintale al nga social media al nga landije. If we cannot use the good part of social media, let us do away with the bad part of social media. Kantum tribalism ay Gambia tinyale bi e kadi am moy studio la ko mamoy na ye jabi kal no kabe kamfarin ne han mol fa ni data restaurant ko moy ma ko nyum to lafta ni ne kan do fa hana ye la kamo ba nin kama ko sai mo be sosori nyo kama fi do be mo be ko nko nyo mela kamo e kam min fo wo ndanga min moy wo fonye tinyaro fela kana mba fala nyo sikar man bete ya ye alqur'ano min tole yele akoy ko sikar le bete ta sikarti mbemba adama ndanga moy le don mbemba adama na awane mbemba adama ndanga moy le ka fo mbemba adama mamoy moko arabu la muyti mamoy moko fulala muyti mamoy moko mandinka la muyti mamoy moko jola la muyti manojo wala pepelo sa nintel bebo tan bemba adama bal ala nin siol dada wo be mala man sabaya kawa kuolti ayen dada ayen ke nations ti ayen ke bankolti ayen ke nationalti ayen ke nyabe nyama ayen frontiere ndi ayen sindi wo be mala man sabaya kawa kuolti wo be mala man sabaya kuolti wo bala daro kenyal pour sila man satalla la ko mota nyin no la naman katete momon soto naman katete nyimbe anata munafo akal den dina kilim la be ke ba kilim fa kilim dal yente to fin ko alien dani men nem ba kele bar munen na mol ka ba ha ndel mama nyol ko ten ndel mama ko ten adi mama nyol ko min fo si fatam fans ko wota alquran ko al yahudul an nasara ala yol tofa alqur'ano kono min arabul dalilo le bot baro manke si fatam pansiti dalilo le fototo kullo le boto lonnal yalon qur'an karannal kafal al yahud al nasara wol bel qur'ano kono arab wol bel qur'ano kono baw jom nyimma fa boto le kono bar wol mu dalilo le kulo yo no kando hani mo nyimma balbe ala ni mo nyimma balbe ni annabi mo be fankilo mo wolleti nun qur'ano yol to fa dum al yahudol qur'ano diamta juusol lale nasara la diamtela ko lale womo ala fala man saba ala le o kerkerendi bar bi mbe ngir ka wala no ma dunya fa bollebul bar fo si fadam fan so ala yol foto ba Gambia nyanta tale hakilo la baki political party nyaton kol fanan ni be party o lola kana sembendi sikula sikilinte mo ke no la fenti jam bawo mbe yaji na Gambia wati tambe ta sikilinte mo sindi no la fonga coalition baro coalition amanke mandin ko damanti amanke jola damanti bari Gambia no le coalition dol fa ne mantar parti o do to bara birin coalition no lo tay na ta ka fol male bar birin parti o dol be lo ri faye mo dol man so ka fule ma bara manke sikuti adum mbeyala na bi nyaja bi baro sita bi alata kola si kilimam baro sindi bar mo na bi gambelo de tribalism kala aja kaloro wat baro mu gambelo baro to mandinkati baro to fulati baro to jolati baro to sarkulati baro is a universal being baro mu gambelo ti because banko di de no region yalo baro berke so to jala dun siyo leboto to wolle baro sin bi han min ma fay baro bi hako ba kanda kanto abe sirin e ka bo men ko you are sitting on the resources of the citizens bi baro be sirin de la fianka mo be la hako ba ka bar gambelo ninga mer ko tribalism wala ba kinela ko we will gain our goals because of political be fail gambe be colère marso kono musol jende jawol damal be kamere nyokayte yaay ni juti
bukan wala fensa
ha mo bu kam wala fensa akole atal billah wala hanu ñu tribalism fa futu ko la ni mol maja e kana mol moy kana karu yol futu ñeli min na ko be ten e senado ha
olofi
ha
siata
ha so sey jolay sembe kenya di
sambe ajakalo annum
Ta-
kano sori me
ta ruwanda mela kumo ba
No, no,
afela
but,
butu ñu tu silbu ka futu
bora
ni
na
sa
ngema ko
billahi wallahi
aso
mkadame mfoye mune tribalism jawyande
ha ñu ci domandi yele ma ñu
no bari dañu ban hakilo la do ya
so ruwa yolo fa ko der ka fama ni na ko ni ka kala ka
Nigerian juice
ba tu ma ya
okay
ya lo ndige pour moi
so
una kamera manuel fa be kaso iba kaso mundunda kan ba ni ni tala ta hani mi ba se no
if your minds are on this juice please Roy Konyadi please live in your own house
e kam mi mbolo
Nkamemfo
ya na
is
de
very
dala haram
Nkamemfo is very serious hanin na futu bundalto and mol nyanta me kamem understand
rabbil alamin
yenying hard jet
juso nganyo
so this heart doesn't know whether you are Mandinka or you are Fula. This heart can be, the physical aspect or mental aspect can be a Mandinka, but this heart doesn't know whether you are Mandinka or a Jola.
barka kamande
Once
iko moyen ki ka ko
number to
ko ka kangale kambal
that's why diamu da wandi me da diamu la ba so
ah heka ana ka kangale kambal
okay, they are basic English.
to you
yala nga nga sene yala
na mungada min foye yala to suguri dal nya jatale angale kam for mo mele ni ke MC yala ay angale kam fo busungudo boda bursibi my brother you'll be my English teacher nga taite be to study ndila fenna minne angale ka de kile ibe grama min lo no woni ni grama do te kile kile
And no heart malong, juso malong ko karimu jola. Because if ever Mandinka do jala, I mean jola the kanola. And that relationship, that love
is perfect
is very real. Feka kumbo nyola kuoto. Yeah. Eka Mandinko je, Mandinka kambano, I jola sunkudo soto. I akanu 100%. Isi Mandinko je, I surua sunkudo soto. I akanu 100%.
ana muso
Isi suruaje, I fula sunkudo soto. I akanu 100%. So woman limits soto. So that means ko inside us na conscience ni. Ndella hadama ya nying. Woman ke fen norinde. Bari yen kulu dati ko mella. Walla ka nyin sifatan fansona. Oto follow role follow ben alfalda. Kadu ni dum be fintika. Akata bendula akata karambodo. Tuma do eta safo e diwo e ko. Ni tam man ni ko di ko e diwo e ko ifele ka finde. Alon ko suruwal tel ni mandia. Bari tam alon ko maybe ite o diwo ni suruwal mo la teacher. Wala teacher mu fulo. Mano pega ba.
ani me jahasere ñom ko do defal
Njasta nyoko na bagal. Oto parents they have a greater role to play. Because na generation on ni aba kulu kan menne ka menjel tel bul. Because nka jala sign ka social media jala mol ka lo ka bula nyola siola ka siola ba fon nen. You understand? E ka bula siola to the highest limit. Man vaganza. Nka nyo destroy beyond the limits of hatred sifam. Gambian all found like hatred right now. I interfound sila now. I'm afraid. Sometimes I even feel ashamed to call myself a Gambian. I'm sorry to say this.
why are you sorry to say that
You understand?
That's
That's the
the
reality.
fact.
Yeah, that's the truth. Because instead of Nganyo teach love, like, we're teaching each other to hate one another.
hatred
And it's real. we cannot bend the truth.
Yeah,
It is very, very real.
Mota tonya ngaji.
You understand? Sign thing na nyinsi fatam panso can no hate is very real.
Afala ka no fan
Man, you understand? You come to our relationship, it is there. You go to our offices, it is there. People are even happy. For example, Nemu Mandin Kodi, for example, the department auto. Near more appointment, Surualum, you don't tend to be happy. No, okay, Nemu Fuloti, ye Mandin Konati as your boss, you don't tend to be happy. Nemu Jolati, ye Suruanati as your boss, you don't tend to be happy. Member the happy that ye Jola Fon Keta boss. Then I care maybe Mandin Kol da man about Trent or long boss nyol or la Surual da man bejana. That keeps us happy. But do you think that is going to develop us?
No.
It is not taking us anywhere.
Destroy.
Now, come to Gambia. President Barrow can blame le, but nta sometimes nka seal nga criticize. But nada jibela ko. Masi boket. Nada jibela ko. Problem killing BJ. Barrow abe batala.
Hana batata.
Yes, I would say this. President Barrow, definitely sometimes I am really sorry to say certain things about you. Because since you have own physical observation again, then you will suffer. Barrow, you will suffer.
Hana abatata lefa.
Munana Barrow eba batala. It bent a Gambia a time lefe whereby all the birds in the cage have been freed. You understand? So it is going to be a very, very big problem. Not only Barrow. The next president coming, you have to be a madman, a qualified madman from Kampala to rule the mad citizens of this country. More bakala president di nyanta kata eta madness kosk.
Nyama to kara.
At least you have a certificate. Yenana yenyim banko mol maram. Nkam for you will take it as a joke, but take these words to the bank. One day ba fala ko money ne for kel fatu life. Mansa bina jang ipa batala sign. Because Gambia doon we are many batandi. Nko one excellent scholar. Karandir la ba ako ni hadama di laftela hadama ya timma. Enyante fond devoid of three things. Ye fond tankandi kuma sabara. Wolom pride, grudge and anger. Pride wolom fawaro. Grudge hasidia, and then anger all of kakamfa. And the sign in Gambia, Nimbe abem kono, anger sotole, pride bem bull, and grudge fan and ben na quarter.
Grudge la
fa. Gambia no fa ja la celebrity movement e tambala na ya we fa. Da fa fong ne mandi na ko. Hamud bo paps. Ama fa la. No, we have the little people we have. We should at least appreciate them because Gambia in anything, we have to accept that. So Namondiul at least to sell the name of the country and put the name of the country in a better page because during battle and don't in social media menna it can even affect our tourism because name all the time tell anything kasamba social wala na econ nene ala mayako. America is a nation that is developed based on rebranding. America can form rebrand. In which sense, ning America, ning kukurun kamele bear, they sell the best 5 part of it, the other 100 or 95%, they keep it. But Gambia jam, people are eager to expose the evil part and the good part they keep it. You understand? Well, and any more father, your RIPs can go to 2,000. But when you are alive, nobody appreciates you. What's the best part of you?
Don't file a Facebook profile picture. It status, WhatsApp, my mentor, my star, my hero. But if Baluru coming for the need time, be a couple of way. So, Buke Parai, Alai Mohammed, inside Alai Mohammed.
No, I give it wrong. Sign Munak Fankake. Alika Bimba tribalism, but in Kanyoso Hakilola. Coming, see Fatam Fonso, Untaka, Nakoros, ignorance, Kunimbalia, Akasabu. Hadamadi women tamata dunia kona kuninta karanta afahamta. Wofa mbuka mwobo nyoto. Woka hadamadi una character le jibe. Aka judge based on the content of your character, but not based on your tribe. Daji ko nying akola ta ya suma kari dum a bete adal andu mo fana e ko the best way associate to a human being is not to judge them but to percentage them. Ika hadama di pesa because every human being has a shortcoming sort of.
Mota kerim barote minno.
So wala now one great man ika fa Bakar Chan. I tell nene nyimfo I could don't judge people but percentage them. Nkai Mr. Oldman, what do you mean by this? Akonye because we all have our butts. But name percentage, if I'm 60 over 40, then at least you can accept it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That is my.
And you can help me.
You understand? Momentum. So nin nata na cool fanan kono.
There's nobody near to the perfection.
Nkana mira ko mo dol bije be tubabu du wolle be video de da kam wol mu mo correctly on let. Dol bije hey, we have different types of madness.
Yeah, no, dolta fananta stress o.
Dolta manka stress o.
Dolta musondo mo dasol.
Soto balia ka mo bula ko be. You see, poverty is a problem. Wala nan ka fo mole nko hani sungudol nka fale nko 6 cars is better than 6 packs. Al ka nyimbula nyimbol men noma. Al na ale billionaire jamal je fam billionaire 6 packs ba. Ham men tayalo 6 packs. Among ko min daman 6 packs to be jalos.
6 packs.
Ela nyim kono men ka kirindi.
Wala kono me ka nyoto fu.
Iyo. Ngolo fo mole.
Wala ko too full. Yalo Mohamed
kulati men kumata. Andum bora dula kilim fo a mbeje emphasize. Politician will a great role lesson. Politician don't only think you only need us. Al sulata na natal carte fayo sita. Nsulata lale in many ways alfana sulata.
And anytime.
Because B kabiri nyin tribal fenko membe be keri. Ite politician jomala je me ala special video le dada. Special video. Kadeda kake as coming a tax form of a tax. Karalike to discourage tribalism. Ndamon politician from Lawyer Dabo. Me, I'm very honest. From Lawyer Dabo, Mama Kande, let's say Hamad Ba, OJ Jallo, President Barrow himself. I'm not seeing any one of them. May I know you are sponsoring a particular group or themselves to go around to campaign against tribalism. But the rally bay is centered on political motivation. Oton tella politician will find them better. Let's call a spade. Wherever you may be supporting. But na Alpha Jamal le Wulte ko. Nde I'm UDP as head, or nde I'm GDC as head. I am going on a tribalism tour. This time is not based on politics. None of the politicians are doing that. That means our politicians are not good. Imam better. Ibekele interestless sa. Nde ni me ale kana makoy. But
me makoy be makoy la.
You understand? But the reality is non. Defend these people don't like us. Yes,
of course.
All the Gambian politicians don't like us.
They don't like.
None of them are defending our interest. Tell me one politician who did it.
More market.
Go and rally based on no to tribalism. None of the politicians are doing it. They are not going to spend their dollars on that. Me and Bora, we are the only party. Ndanga menje menu wulita ntata dula dantanto andu ni Africa TV la ba. We are saying no to tribalism until we are less public figures. Compare me to Lawyer Dabo, compare me to Mama Kande, compare me to Barrow, compare me to Maifati, Hamad Ba, Halifa Saleh and the likes. Who among them may have as a necessary portfolio coming to go around to say I am campaigning not because of my politics, but because as a political figure, I am here to unify my people. I'm saying no to tribalism. They will not do it. So they are not good.
No, yalo Mohamed fan kame fo. No, yalo Mohamed kame. No, yalo membo problemo. Gambia no le membo problemo. Ndele kamera ni mo sindi mansala mai. Ya sinda bante ya kanu. Emanya na fala kiteng. Emanya na fala teki ya fa kite. Yalo ni mol mba folede. President Barrow nta kama dia mo konde amanka nga konde billahi wallahi tallahi mam baro konde ban nin tonya nata mbafula ba man ngol ko ni malta nyama to kumbu sule ko ni malta fule la nyori fano ka kele man sino bar mo amel kanyin min fo ni la sioni mbitema e kanyin tamo min beke e kamuna fo mole baro ko do be soto dal hani ni nol balo nel ko do be soto dal mil be dun ko fa
ko do soto dal
ni nol wol yalo ne bar ni ne jumal le yalo atanala mol ha ni nol mil yalo atanala mol bar Minister of Tourism Arts and Culture battle koto nin katu yayle bita China bita blato kar killing ngade Gambia la Minister of Tourism katama karo akabe tubabu nyine bomsal be tubabu nyine la minister be tubabu nyine jumal nene nyaay nyinge Kenya dan nimbanku kotole if you reach your arts and culture ila arts industry ya develop dunia le kete nyine ni 40 do ko le kete nyine do ko bu kete nyine
tribalism nyinta bannola
yamay
nin kebal fawma
bari tribalism be keno la nyaade le every week kari tamad every week kari tamad ete la hajol sota nin kata banda bar problème o men be banko kay bo le regulate la yamay interior yol bijani assisol bijani comedian ol bijani a special body dadaba al ya dila bar natal yamira ko ita bona tribe min ko na ha ibo na semmentu yala politiko la fanale be batala al nga tonya fo nyoy ni milbe Mohammed yepo they were all our friends before they will get into this place but mbenyi nin kala government comes and it goes but the strength of the people remain wa Mohammed ka angale kamwe bar mfana mbenyi ndula fo lay
dama fo ngamwe
hamwe
ay fale angale
domanding soudele mbeda min fo le Gambianol molte toleti yalon baro ya fo diamo ko nin karta fayo min keta ya jamme karandi la ata karandi baro malam bara Gambia bele karandi 2016 ay mol kunindi la ay mol karandi mbe diamo ndila be nyil bela mirota fo fendinti sanjilulu na la be nindula maintain no la nyaadi wala mu yella problème ba nyin tribalism be sa fo no Paul Kagame jibe ba Rwanda problème o min keta Rwanda tribal conflict lam bal bi ni tata Rwanda e bukalo ko problème o ne keta jadi he handled the problem singly adamma I handle adamma ani moma handle Paul Kagame wala nyimma nyake so baronyo relation ni sentimental nyanta mu ne kala bi folo Kagame la ni fitino bay ni fitino mesa min beba banko kambi ita moral fa'al nol damal man kambe fitino bakam Altel yamira natal be siring alla protocol baba alla bodyguard baba that is enough water banko bebe dundi nyoko ye wuli nganyina air conditioner e ko ne kunja bibe na kunne betilola let them fulfill the desires of the electorate is very important but yen fail jele nyum problem o min bebe Gambia kono people are angry adu nim kam fata nyo kam bita fintindi la nyo kansion ye modol de tribe sol be nyo nenkan baro nyo la angale be kono male bakra nyami damal ya express nyo kan billah wallahi Muhammad is also happening
if there is unity among them
yes but the government officials on damal baro anala mol damal there is no unity among them. Do you expect your fans outside there will be unity among them? Nitel damal man kambe. Ba man dum kol ko kwale sono lata nyola la yalo. Man dum kol ko lata nyola sato mi lo man hilla nyina kate. Man sawo man sa nibe siring. Bori la target moment how to retain the seat. Mo bebe America nyani.